Are you looking for an application that helps you manage your store or shop efficiently? Then we are pleased to present you the DM Smart Pos app, the perfect solution for your store management requirements. DM Smart Pos is a free store management application that runs on the Android operating system and provides you with a wide range of useful features. Whether you own a small shop or run a large chain of stores, you can count on our app to provide the best experience for you and your customers. Among the most prominent features of the DM Smart Pos application, data backup and restore feature. Upload and restore backup copies of your store's database at any time to ensure the maximum level of continuous preservation of your data. Create invoices quickly and easily. Create invoices and receipts when products are sold and then print them quickly and easily. Support for multiple languages. The DM Smart Pos application supports a group of international languages such as Arabic, English, French, Spanish, Hindi, and Bulgarian. This makes it a universal application suitable for the growth of your global business. The DM Smart Pos application also offers more advanced features and options to manage your store optimally without the need to use any additional software or applications. Don't miss out on the great DM Smart Pos app. Download it now for free on your Android device and start improving the performance of your shop or store with a few touches. Let us be a part of your journey of commercial success and continuous progress.